I think this is all thanks to COVID 19 that we are all enjoying this very prestigious, very informative Technology Day celebrations, sitting at home or in our offices. And I don't think that ever in the past we could have witnessed participation of thousands of our own scientists in this Technology Day function in such a cool manner. So this is, I think, the new blessing of COVID-19, and all these good ideas and all these good practices that we have been forced to adopt during COVID times. I understand that in future times, if we continue to practice some of them, COVID will always be remembered as a blessing in disguise for this whole world. On this August gathering, where we have all come together to celebrate the 22nd National Technology Day, which has been organized by my ministry along with the active support of the Confederation of Indian Industry. The National Technology Day, we know, is observed on the 11th of May to commemorate achievements of innovations and technological excellence in the country. The day has a historic perspective, as it was on this day that India achieved a major technological breakthrough by successfully carrying out nuclear tests at Pokhran. And I would love to place on record my most humble tributes to the memory of two great leaders of India, my very dear Atalji, our former Prime Minister, and our esteemed President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam on this particular day. Further, I remember that the first indigenous aircraft Hansa 3 was test flown at Bangalore on this particular day, and India also has performed successful test firing of the Trishul missile on the same day. Since then, that was 1999, the day is celebrated as the National Technology Day. We did that Pokhran in 1998, and next year we started celebrating the National Technology Day. The celebration of National Technology Day symbolizes India's quest for scientific inquiry, technological creativity and innovations, and the integration of these developments into national socio-economic benefits and global presence. We are interacting today amidst the most trying times globally, as the pandemic COVID-19 marches on to destroy our lives and disrupt our economy. Apart from putting the healthcare system of various countries out of gear, the COVID-19 pandemic has also severely impacted the health of the global economy. The technological and other issues involved in the pandemic are both nuanced and complex. However, in the present crisis, technology has emerged as a forefront of the battle against COVID-19. As we all navigate through the unprecedented crisis, India's fight against the COVID-19 is moving ahead with great strength and steadfastness.